Hi, I'm Lindsay Goodman, Vice President of National Accounts at JB Hunt, and I'm sitting here with Spencer Frazier, Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing. We're going to talk to you a little bit today about our career journeys and just what it's like being in JB Hunt's sales organization. Well, thank you so much for sitting down with me today, Spencer.
Hey, it's a privilege just to hang out with you and have a conversation.
It's funny, a lot of people will call you one of the culture keepers. What does our culture really mean to you, and what does it look like to keep it intact?
If there's anything that keeps me up at night, as we sit here today, we have 37,000 people on our team. Pretty soon, we're gonna have 50,000, 80,000, and pick a number. And so the bigger that we get, how do we keep this culture is something I think it's core to the strength of our organization. And so really, yeah, someone might give me that title because I've been around a little bit, but I'd just say to anybody who's starting day one, I don't want people drinking Kool-Aid, but I want them to make it. And what I mean by that, make it be a part of this culture. And so I think everyone's a culture keeper. You are too. So now you just got the title.
It's funny, when I came to interview at JB Hunt, as I was sitting in Shelly Simpson's office, it was a beautiful conversation, and she quickly realized that it was 4:30 and she had to get out of there. And I was like, oh, you know, you've got somewhere to go. My son has a football game, she says. We do not miss important things, and I wouldn't expect you to either. And that really was important to me, and really a key driver and why I chose to come.
And we're thrilled that you did. The things that, again, are part of our company is everybody has a voice, because there's not one person that has a monopoly on the best ideas. But collectively, when we share them, and get everybody's input, and then we roll something out, we've got something pretty good. When someone's thinking about joining our company, we talked about culture. Let's say, okay, I'm in with that. But now, what would make them successful as a seller in our organization?
You know, some of the most successful candidates I've seen talk about their previous experience. Here's how I've integrated technology in my past. Here's what I think the industry is going to do in the future. Here's what I could do for your organization. Concise, strategic, and engaging.
Yeah, if they're demonstrated success from that they can be successful in our organization. We have opportunities for people to come into sales who are already at JB Hunt. But there's a way to get into what we call the sales rotational development program. And any thoughts about that you have?
I think it's an Ivy League development program, and that's one thing I was so pleasantly surprised about when I joined the organization, is how we meet people where they are in their career journey. Yeah. And I think that's the beautiful thing about the sales rotational development program. There's a place for you. And that's what I love about our organization. We can take someone's value system and plug their content of work in appropriately.